Hello everyone, welcome again in your science class. So as you all know that we were discussed about climate and adaptation, and in that we already learned about the animals that live in polar regions, right, and the special features of those animals, right. So today we are going to start with the topic tropical rainforest, right, after polar regions. Now let us discuss how the animals with their special features survive in the tropical rainforest. The tropical regions located around the equator, right? Tropical regions कहाँ पे होते हैं? Located around the equator, right? And because of that, tropical region has generally hot climate, right? Tropical region has hot climate. Even here in the coldest month also the temperature is not reduced much more, and it's generally higher than about cold days. Temperature is higher than 15 degree Celsius, and during hot summer temperatures crosses 40 degrees Celsius, right? And one interesting thing about this is that here length of days and nights are almost equal throughout the year. The tropical rainforests are found in the Western Ghats, and in Assam in India, right? And beside that, tropical rainforests are found in the Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa, right, found in these places, right, in India, Western Ghats, and in Assam, and beside that Southeast Asia, Central America, and also in Central Africa. And this region also gets plenty of rainfall throughout the year, right, plenty of rainfall throughout the year, right? And because of the continuous warmth, we know that tropical region has a hot climate. So because of the continuous warmth and rainfall, right, variety of plants and animals are found there, right. The major animals that live in tropical rainforests are the animals that live, right. कौन कौन से animals find out होते हैं यहाँ पे? The animals that found in tropical rainforests are generally monkeys, gorillas, tiger, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, apes, etc. Right? All of these animals are found in the tropical rainforest, right. Now let's understand the adaptation of these animals, means how these animals can easily survive in such a hot and wet climate. Because of its sporting climate for animals, a large number of animals live there, right. And because of the large number of animals, there is a competition for food always. Every animal has some special features to get the food and also to survive here. And many animals are adapted to live on trees. For example, first one is red-eyed frog, right. So red-eyed frog has sticky pads on its feet. These sticky pads, right, these sticky pads help them to climb on trees easily, right. So second one is monkeys. Monkeys have, you know that monkeys have long tails. These long tails help them to easily grasping branches, and secondly their hand and feet are such that they can easily hold on to the branches, right? So bird toucan, right? So this bird has too much weight that a fruit can't handle it, right? So it has a long large beak that help it to reach fruits on branches easily, right? Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin and thick color, and all of these features help those animals to camouflage. So let's understand what is camouflage. As you all know that camouflage is the way in which an animal changes its color or shape and matches its surrounding and makes it difficult to be spotted, right? This helps them to protect them from the predator. Well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest is elephant, right? It has many special features which help it to adapt to the conditions of these rainforests, right? Which rainforest? That is tropical rainforest, right? First of all, its trunk, right? It uses its trunk as a nose, right? And because of which it has a very strong sense of smell, right? And this trunk is also help it for picking up the food, right? Secondly, its tusks, right? Its tusks are used to tear the bark of a tree which you want to eat, right? And third one is its large ears, and its large ears helps it to hear even very soft sounds and also help it to cool in the hot climate of the rainforest. So elephant is easily able to handle the competition for a food in these tropical rainforests, right? Where there is a large competition because many number of animals are live there, right? So all the animals have some special features to adapt in a certain conditions, right? So this is all about your chapter 7, that is weather, climate, and how animals adapted to the climate. And this is done with your today's class, and next we will do in our next class. Thanks, have a great day.